Alrighty, I have a canvas that I didn't like, so I just spread my paints back over the canvas, which has left it this really nice glistening sort of burnt umber, metallic burnt umber look. And so I'm going to just work with it and try and do, try and work with the canvas and see if I can get something nice out of it. So first of all, I would like to, because it's all still wet, this is just the titanium white with Australian Floetrol. So I want to put a swiped background and then I'll work with what I'm going to do after. That's if it's all going to work, because this pre-used, there was all a mixture of paints in here, so I'll just try it. I'm going to see if my swipe gives me a, oh yeah, beautiful. It's come out with some gorgeous lacy cells, so that works really well for my background. So if you don't like a piece that you've done, and you can certainly scrape it while it's still wet, scrape the paint off it and then reuse the canvas, or you can just push on and try to make something that you do like out of it. And I mean, if all else fails, you're not really using that much paint, and because acrylic flow art or pouring art is acrylic paint mixed with a lot of pouring medium, you're not wasting too much paint at all. It's only a small amount of paint, so your canvas actually is the one, well, in Australia your canvas is what costs the money. So I'm just working with this and getting some lovely effects. You'll see it when I bring the camera in close. For whatever reason, you never get it off my camera on the tripod up there. Maybe my camera is just not good enough. Anyhow, I will bring you down to have a look at this lovely lace. I'm not too worried if it misses out on spots, because I'm going to be doing something on top of all of that. Bring you down to see this lace because it is gorgeous. Okay, look at this. You just don't get that, do you, in my camera, from the camera as I'm doing it? But if I could capture this as it's happening, if anyone's got any know-how, is it just my camera or haven't I got it close enough? But you know, when I'm doing the swipe, and I've seen some people's just shows all the lovely lace as they're doing it, but my camera just does not show it. But that's why I try to bring you down and have a look at these lovely effects in there. So I guess on with part 2. Rightio. What I think I'm going to do with this now is I think I would like to do some puddle pours. So I'll use up some of the paint. This is called sand. So I'm going to puddle. I'll do 3 puddles maybe in here. So it's using that lovely lace as my background. And then why not add in some cool blue? See, the world is your oyster. You can basically do whatever you choose to do. There's no rules to it whatsoever. I'll add a bit more of that white, which is what they mean when they sell a cell activator. So that's a certain paints mixed with, well, my cell activator in this particular piece is the paints mixed with Floetrol. So, and I'll go turquoise because those sort of burnt umbers brown, earthy looking turquoise just really gives it a pop, and so will that cool blue with the browny colours. And then I think I'll actually put a bit of the burnt umber. This is burnt umber that I mixed with metallic gold, so it's got a sheeny, shiny and not so dark. but it comes out a beautiful colour. I really, really love it. And then I've got some of this. This was the cool blue, a little bit of cool blue mixed with silver. So it's got this gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery steel blue effect. Rightio, I think that might be enough of that. Where's my black? So this is the same, it's black with Australian Floetrol. So I'm hoping this gives some nice cells in there. Rightio. I might try blowing it out with my straw rather than the hairdryer first. I'm not sure. We'll see how we go. So I'll try with the straw. Pretty nice. It's lacing up beautifully in there. Oh, yummy, yummy. Wow, they've turned out beautiful. Oh, very nice. Wow, wow, wow. Those colours with that colour background, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to bring you down. Must see. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. The colours are so nice with that burnt umber silver background. I got some lovely effects in the paint. This is just my global paints mixed with my pouring medium. Look at that, that's beautiful. I actually haven't put any heat on it yet, so I'm presuming that I can make the cells come out further with the heat. We'll try in a second. But the colours are super duper, really lovely together. So who'd have thought, hey? Alright, I'll add some heat to it. Let's see how that works. Rightio, we'll give it a go. Bit of heat. The colours are beautiful together. The lacing is lovely. You could leave it exactly how it is, or I'm going to just use a skewer to maybe just soften some of this up. You don't have to do anything. And remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Just go with the flow. Pour your heart out and enjoy every minute. Remember, there's no rules. The only rules is there's no rules, as I just told you. Ooh, I love those colours together. Must actually do something else in a different technique. Do you like the colours together? Is it a goer or a noer? But I think that's beautiful. I'm going to leave it to dry, and I'm sure it will dry perfectly fine. It's really beautiful colours. I'm pretty happy with it. Happy Jen. Okay, my lovelies, I hope that you're all okay. Remember, if you are feeling sad, lonely, depressed of any kind, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if not, there is always a helpline available. Remember, you're no good to anyone else if you're not feeling wonderful yourself, but do something that gives you joy. Whatever it may be, just do it. Just do it. Okay, until tomorrow, bye for now.